once you've completed your sales copies and you've created your products, now it's time to upload them online. What I use for all this is ClickFunnels, which includes hosting and also allows me to create the funnel. You also don't need to purchase a domain if you're using ClickFunnels. However, ClickFunnels is pretty expensive. It can cost at least $100 per month. But good for you, there are other options for you out there that are much cheaper and don't require you to pay a monthly fee. Now, you can also create your own site and your own funnel for free. If you teach yourself how, you could watch videos on YouTube showing how to use HTML and cPanel. You could also visit blogs that teach how to create your own websites, and of course, you could buy courses and video tutorials for that as well. Now, when it comes to uploading products for the customer to download, what I do is I just upload them onto my Amazon S3 account.